Yo guys, welcome back to Cryptoria. Today I'm going to be covering Klaytn, but before I do, I'll appreciate if you like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, let's get into today's video. So guys, I have jumped straight onto Klaytn's website just to give you an insight of what it is. So as you guys can see, Klaytn Network, the ground for all blockchain services. Going down, it does give you an insight of what it is. So about Klaytn, Kakao's global public blockchain about Project Klaytn is an enterprise-grade, service-centric platform that brings user-friendly blockchain experience to millions. It combines the best features of both public blockchains, decentralized data and control, distributed governance, and private blockchains, low latency, high scalability via efficient hybrid design. Klaytn is secured by participation from numerous highly reputable brands across the globe, working together to create a reliable business platform atop a robust system of decentralized trust. Klaytn enables businesses and entrepreneurs today to capture value using blockchain technology. Klaytn is the future, designed by GroundX. So I hope to give you a quick brief of what Klaytn is. Go ahead and check out this as well. In terms of the key features, as you guys can see, they got service centric, so you go ahead and check this out as well. They got user friendliness, data play, and community driven, rigorous, verified. Just going down, as you guys can see, Klaytn improvement reserve, so KIR supports non-profit programs including developer tools and community efforts to promote development of Klaytn. So that is pretty much the gist of the website, guys. Jumping onto CoinMarketCap, as you guys can see, they are doing pretty well at the moment, up nearly 1% over the last 24 hours. Currently circulate just underneath that dollar mark, around that 95 cent. So I did already go over the website. As you guys can see, they are already audited by Slowmist. Current market cap, they are doing pretty well, over 2.3 billion. Circulating volume is 68 million, currently down 36% over the last 24 hours. In terms of the chart, very briefly, as you guys can see, back last year, actually, I was circling underneath that dollar mark for quite some time until early this year, where it did do a massive surge towards that $5 mark around there, and it did unfortunately dip to where it is at the moment. In terms of where you guys can buy it, best place probably being on Binance, as I will explain later, but there are other exchanges where you could buy it as well. So guys, I will be jumping onto some news now. So guys, in terms of recent news that I did see on their Twitter, as you guys can see, Klay reached over $1 billion stake on Binance. Klay launchpad in 14 days. In total, 1.7 billion USD was staked and 1.32 million Klay was mined. Thank you those who participate into the event. Jumping onto that launchpad, as you guys can see, has already been completed, but look at the amount of BNB pool rewards, so over 1 million. The amount of staked is over 3.7 million. It is huge. So this did actually help boost the price up. Actually, I will be showing you later, but it is huge how they did this. It is good that they did this, and hopefully they do participate in this in the long run as well. In terms of upcoming news, as you guys can see, I did pull up this article I found on Medium. Uppsala Security introduces their MCIS, so Managed Crypto Incident Response Service, to Klaytn for consumer asset protection. So guys, it is a bit of a read, so I would suggest you guys reading this as well. I would leave the link below so you would be able to look into it as well, but it is very good that they're doing this as well. It just gives you more of an insight of what it is. So I will leave the link of this below. I will be jumping onto the price analysis now. So guys, what everyone's been waiting for, the price analysis. So guys, I have jumped onto the daily time frame just because on the weekly and monthly I can't really see much data for me to give you an analysis of the long term. So I have jumped onto the daily. As you guys can see, it did have that spike all the way up to that $1.35ish level, and that spike over here as well to that $1.25 level. So at the moment, I could see this downward channel forming at the moment. As you guys can see, it has been creating this level of channel, and I do see an outbreak towards those highs there. So I do see a bit of a break beyond this channel, hopefully creating a level of support again around where it is at the moment, in fact, and then going towards this high first, and then back towards the all-time high here, and then towards that $2, $5, $10 mark as well, especially when they got a lot of stuff coming up as well. So that is what I believe in terms of long term. So guys, as I mentioned again, there is that downward channel again. It's creating those lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then hopefully what it does now, it does break towards this channel and goes towards those levels there. So that is my long-term analysis. In terms of short-term, as you guys can see, now I have jumped onto the hourly time frame. I have drawn out this trend line here, and as you can see, it is breaking that trend line at the moment on that hour. If it does break below it and stays below, I might see a further drop, maybe a retest, and then maybe a further drop down to that 84 level, 85 level. But I don't see that happening. But if it does happen. I'm just telling you guys in terms of the short term and the long term goals as well. You never know, guys, they might go down, it might go up. So that is what I like to give you guys. So in terms of the short term play, the short term goals will be around that level, around there, as I did mention, around that 80 cent to 85 cent level. In terms of the long term, I do see maybe a possible regain structure on this trend line, creating a level of support around that 85 cent, 95 cent level, and then going beyond towards these highs, at least around that $1.20 mark. So that is what I believe in short term, guys. So guys, that is my two analysis. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification for all future uploads. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.